So, can you see it now?
Yeah, but it's not showing now. Probably it was loading the timeline. Not showing on my system. So I'm coming. I want to log into my.
Okay, so for this week now, let me go through my notes here. Then let me know if you understand very well the flex method. Hmm? Who understood the flex method you have been treating since? How to show elements in flex form. I can hear you. Tolu Abasade and sister Jusola Alarunlaye.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what to call flex in CSS?
Yes, sir. No, sir, I'm not sure, sir.
I don't know it.
No, sir, I'm not sure, sir.
Why? What happened?
No, sir. So I'm learning it, I'm trying. So I'm learning it, I'm
How are you
trying.
trying?
One compliant.
Because if we don't know it now, how can we continue the advanced one?
No, someone is actually trying to help me. Like, no, someone is actually trying to help me, like teaching me.
Because you cannot take us back.
No, proceed, sir.
Proceed. So where are you now? Let me know.
No, proceed, sir.
Where are you now?
The color size, sir. That's
Only color you know.
the color size, sir. That's yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your system call. Is it you now?
Sir?
Your system, is it you?
Sir? Sir?
No. Okay.
No, sir.
I want us to grab very well and to know where we are before going further to the advanced one. Like now, we will try and do what we call grid now. Grid. CSS grid this week. We have studied flex last week. So now we will try and study again and grid this week. But maybe I will just take a little brush of that one before we go to grid. So who again is still behind? Let us know.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are
Me,
you?
sir, I'm also behind. Good afternoon, sir.
So where are
Me,
you?
sir, I'm also behind.
Okay. So, so
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
I'm
Okay,
with you.
sir. The thing is, my network here. Can you hear me, sir? Okay,
So
sir.
I'm
The thing
always
is, my
making use of
network
the
here is
video
not stable.
and to
So
the
I'm
group
always
to
making
like
use of the
recap the
video
class and get
and
it.
to the
But
group
since you
to
didn't send
like
the one for
recap
the
the
last
class
class,
and
it
get it.
seems like
But since you
I'm
didn't
still
send the
kind
one
of
for the
behind,
last
sir.
class, it seems like
Okay,
I'm
don't
still
worry.
kind of behind, sir.
I will share today's video for you. Hmm.
Okay.
You will see it. Alright.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Is that all? So for today, let's go on to for today. Now, for my end there, I try to develop a app to mimic VS Code. Can you hear me? So I build a app now to be working for the class. Let me see it here. This is the app. Hmm. Let me come here and show you. Okay, so this is the app here. Inspire Editor. That's the name. I built it just to. Okay, that's good. Okay, so this app now is for building site too. Building sites. But what happens is that both the code and preview will be showing on the screen together. So instead of we going to VS Code, then browser again to show the work to view it. Once you are typing the code, you will be seeing it and the output. So like now, I sent to one to the group. This one to the group. Let me show you this one just to view. This is the code. So this is the code now. I can view the code on my system to in line with the output view. Can you see now? So I sent you this one now to the group yesterday to revise. So who have done that? So now, okay, don't worry. Let's go on. Now about CSS grid. Grid is also a part of CSS that you must know very well in building a responsive site. Like now, if you see this page now, if I zoom it now, if I zoom it, what happened here?
Sorry, sir. I can't see your screen, sir.
My
Sorry, sir.
screen?
I can't see your screen, sir.
Okay, let me share screen for you. Sorry. Okay, can you see it now? So can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What it means is that I try to develop this app to be showing both the code in line with the output view. Mhm. So can you see now? This is the code here. The code here on the left side and the preview on the other side too. So like now, I'm on. If I should expand the size of this screen now, what happen? You will see like that the page is expanding and the items there are showing in three forms. I have a car here, one, two, three car showing, then another one too at the bottom. Can you see now? But now, if I want to view it on maybe tablet or phone, the size will change to another one. Let me see tablet form. Let's see. Can you see now? It's now showing in 2:2. Abi? Then on the phone too. On the phone, it's what? One preview or one items are showing at the time. I see it now. So that's the way to build what a responsive site. Yeah. So with your phone, the site must match with your phone type to show correctly on the phone. Then on system or tablet, it will show in a better way. Like this one now is showing 2:2. If it's on desktop, right now 3:3. That's the way to build out a responsive site. Then how will you now go about it? Yeah. Like now, let me come and show you the code here from the PowerPoint I gave you. Have you seen this one? The PowerPoint. This one is on grid, CSS grid and responsive design. Last week you see that Flex is what? Flex is a one dimensional site, dimensional design. Let me show you here. Flex blocks is what? Is a one dimensional design or building site. While grid is what? Grid is a two-dimensional way of building your site. Are you with me? Now, in Flexbox, we have this one. It controls your items in one direction, either by row or column. Whereas grid do what? It controls your items in both row and column. That's it. A Flexbox controls your items in row or column alone. That's one way. While the grid controls it in two ways, both row and columns control it. Then then Flexbox is mainly used for bar, for navigation bar, um Flexbox. Whereas grid is for a full page, for full page. That's it. Then now again, if you want a buttons like button groups or icon rows, you can use Flexbox to design them and put buttons in group by row or column. Then, but for grid, you can use like photo gallery to show your items in photo gallery. uh It's good for grid is good for it. That's it. More so, if you are building maybe cards of equal rows and heights, you can use Flexbox for it. But if you are using magazine or article or news, grid is the best thing to use. Grid system method is best for it. Hmm. More so on your site, if you're having footer links and group of links, you can use this with Flexbox. It's good for it. So that's the way to go about it. So Flexbox and Grid, they have their own role to play on the site. So that's it. Let me continue. So now, if you are trying to build your site using Grid, eh? So you do what? You turn your items or elements into a grid container. Hmm? Grid container. Let me show you one way to do it. You say container, display it in grid form. So from there, the page will now turn to a grid form. What is grid self? Let me hear you. Hmm? Now, if you say grid, eh, the parent the parent or what? The parent grid will display the grid. At it, divine structures, all direct children become grid items. Let me show you how to go that. Let me come here and show you how it's done on the code here. Then I will now explain to you. So on the code there now, let me come to this page. Okay. Let me come here. Same thing with VS Code though. That's no difference here with VS Code though. Don't worry. You hear me now? So now, this page now, my project. Let me see title here. Title of this one. My projects. So we have here HTML head, meta links. This is the link. Start sheet is start sheet here. Let's see start sheet here. Now I want to design this page now to be in a grid form. If you check the code, body, navigation, we have here a link, home, and what about, as I can see on the page here. Then you have main here, hello, inspire. That's it. Let me come to the style sheet here and just adjust it somehow. Let me check. Let me come here first. Okay, so this is the page now without CSS. That's the code now without what? CSS style sheet. So you can understand how it is. Abi? So now let's now add our code to it in style form, in style sheet, and see how it will look like. I want to show you this. I want to show you how to know what we call grid in CSS. So now I will come and say a div class to be what? Class to be what? Container. Container. Now in your style sheet here, you come here and say dot container dot what? Container. Your style sheet and say display it in grid form. Display in grid form. Can you see now? So now in grid form. So how do you now define a grid? You will say that grid template columns. Let's see it here. Grid template column to be what? 20 by 20, 20 200 pixel. Let's see. Let's see it here. You start it here, you will say grid template column should be this form. Should be this. Now, you will now come to this page again and say, okay, let me add the items here to see. Div again, class equals to what? Box. Let's say box. Then close it and say box one. Box one first. Okay. Box one. Box two. Box two and box three. So now let's see how it will look like for the box. For a box now, is it dot box? So let's give it a color to make it clear. Dot box. You see that um, border. Sorry, border should be 1 pixel or 2 pixel. Solid. Then color of the border. Let's say black. Then height of it. Height should be, let's say, 100 pixel for the box. So can you see now? It's showing you the box now. Let me show tablet form coming. So can you see now? Hello, are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. We
now,
can see it, sir.
because what we have defined this one now to be in 200 pixel, 4 and 20 pixel. So you can see how you can see the way it is to be in grid form. That's on by pixel. So this one is fixed. It's fixed. There's no any spacing or adjustment in the design here. It's fit, so it's not good. I see now. It's not mobile friendly. Abi? Let me see again. Just top one. Okay. Good. As you can see. So, but now I can change it to fraction form. Okay. If I say 200 pixel by one fraction, then 200 pixel again. Let me see. Let me see again. If I say 200 pixel by one fraction, then 200 pixel again. Can you see now? So now the fraction now is what? Taking the remaining space of the page. Can you see now? Let's see the tablet form. Can you see now? Oh, So now, if you want to build the site as it's
Sorry, sir.
okay,
Can I ask a question, sir?
okay,
Sorry, sir. I'm using Notepad++. Can I ask a question, sir? Please, I'm using Notepad++. So I want to ask if you can, you've been doing this tablet
okay.
and tablets from my hand too.
Continue now. Let me hear you.
I already said what I said. Can I change it to like tablet from my end? I already said what I said. Can I change it to like tablet from my
Say
end? I don't think that
the
option is in my own site.
editor, Abi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one
Yes, sir. Yes,
is
sir.
I try to build this app for it to show you the way it is. You can see
Okay.
different
Okay.
sizes of or maybe I will give you
Okay.
what I can do. This one is on the browser, browser extension.
Okay. This app is on the browser.
No, this app now is my own.
Okay.
Is my own
This app is
personal
on the
app that I
browser.
built with
Okay.
it's a framework to
Okay.
show how you can navigate how you can view code
Okay.
with us with the design too immediately.
Okay.
But the same thing, the same thing with
Okay.
VS Code too, sha. So like
Okay,
now,
sir.
okay now, don't worry, just don't worry, sha. Let's continue.
Okay, sir.
Let's continue. Now, come here, use this. Now I want to now give it another format. If I say grid column template, grid template column should be maybe two. Let's say one fraction, one fraction. Can you see now? What happened here? So this one what? It means that it will take it will take two parentage, abi two fraction of the page. You hear me now? Equally. Ehen. It will only take two attempts of the page equally. That's the meaning of this one now. If I say one by one, making two, it means that this grid container we only take they take two fraction of the page equally. Again, if I say three, if I say one again, one fraction again, making what? Making three now. So it now what? It share the three, it share the three items equally on the page. That's the meaning of this one using grid. Again now, if I now come and add again and that one again, let me say box 4. Let's see box 4 again. Box 4. What happened here? Since my page, my content here is defined as 3 elements alone, 3 elements alone on the page. So it will share the element equally in 3 forms, in 3%, and it will share them together equally in 3 forms. Another one again will now show below it on another page or underline. Is it clear with you now? What I did now? Eh? Let me give it a gap. I will say gap for the items. Let's say 20 pixel each. So that they can show them equally. Now in my box, I can say okay, justify content, justify content in what? To center. Let me see. Center. Okay. You don't go. Align item to align items in center for the box. Don't go to. Oh, let me say space between. Space between. Space between. Space between. All right. So, any question? Any question before you continue? Eh? Okay. Now, let me come and show you another thing again. Okay. Let me show this one. Let me show you this one. I'm coming. Let me come and show this one. Let's say that container A, Abi. Container A will be this one. Then I will come and say again here, container A here as the class name, container A. Then we have it in 3 forms, 3 box, 4, 6. Now, another one again, container B. Yeah, let's say div class equals to container B, container B. So let me say this one should be in, this one should be H2 CSS GRID one fraction one fraction, one fraction. That's it for the first one. So let's see another one again. Container B. So now for container B, I will give it the same style. Let me see. For container B, I will say for B now, I come to my style sheet here and say container B. Let's do this format. Let's take one fraction by two fraction by one fraction. Let's say the weight. And I start sheet here. I will say one fraction by two fraction, one fraction. That's it. So what happened now? What happened here? Can you see it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you see what I'm doing
Yes,
here?
sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Can see it.
So
Yes,
what's
sir.
the effect?
Can see it.
I
Box
define
one has one fraction.
eh?
The box one has one fraction.
I define my
But
container,
the box one has one.
yeah,
The
one
box
fraction
one has one.
on the page. So this one called two fraction on the page, the second one one fraction too. So meaning that it will occupy two extents and two fraction on the page. That's it. That's the way to do your items on the page. And if you adjust now, let me see. I see. It also adjusts. I see. Let's try and see for tablet and phone. Okay, that's good for tablet and phone and desktop. So it's taking what two fraction on the page. Hmm. It's clear, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Help me now to be clear.
Yes, sir.
So that I can also guide you more and more. No problem. So as you can see here, you can position your items in what? One fashion, two fashion, one fashion. Meaning that it will take what? It will share them into this percentage. 5%, 50% and what? 5% of the page. This style is okay. You can adjust easily. Hmm, adjust easily. But if you're using a pixel to do your page, it not adjust at all at all. Pixel is fixed. Let's see this one again. Let's say container C and see how it will look like using pixel. Let me show you again. Container C using pixel. If you say in pixel now, in pixel, let's say 100 pixel by 200 pixel by 100 pixel again. If I say by pixel, so this one will be container C. Container C. Let's see it. Container C. Now you come to your style sheet here and say for container C here, display it in this format: 100 pixel, then 200 pixel to pixel by 100 pixel. 100 pixel. Okay, container C. Container C. Sorry. Can you see it now? So now this one here, if you adjust it now in form of maybe a tablet or phone or phone type, the size will remain the same. The size what will be fixed, remain the same. It will not change at all at all. It will be fixed. So from there, in that case, it's not responsive to your page. That's it. So the best thing is to use this fashion form. Then how will we now know fashion? In a page, we have what to call. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, let me show you another one again. How to define your page again. Let's say another one again. Okay, let me see another one again. We have repeats also. Repeats. Let me see repeats. Okay, like now. Okay, okay, yeah. We have repeat also. Repeat. Okay. Now I will show you again another one again. Container D. Let's see how it will be. So let's use this one. Container D. Let me copy it here to the front so that it can show properly here. For container D, using repeat. Using what? Repeat in fraction. Let's say repeat. Repeat these items either once or twice. 3, then one fraction. Let's see this one. Let's say container D should repeat in what? Twice. Let's see how to be. So now our D container will be like this. We say for container D, repeat it in 3 fractions. So you say here repeat your items 3 1 fraction. So can you see it now? In that you should write this fraction in 3 times. That's it. That's meaning. Repeat the fraction in 3 times. So it will take the items in 3 form. If you say 4, let's say 4 now, it will share it in 4 equal space. If you say 5, can you see now? It's sharing them in 5 places now. 6 nko, let's say 6. Now, if you now add, if you add more box now to it, it will share it equally. Let's see. Let's see again. Box 4, box 4, box 5, and box 6. Can you see now? So it has shared the items equally in 6 equal size so that it can fit into the page equally. So that's the grid. That's the grid. Hmm. Can you see now? So this one is better than writing our grid form. I can say again. Let me try and see this type again. This type 1. Again, sorry. Let me comment this one. Comment it. If I say 1 fraction, 1 fraction again, 1 fraction, 1 fraction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 fraction, 5, 1 fraction, 6. I see now. So in repeating the items, repeat items in 6 times, you can use this short code to write it. Repeat it in 6 times. So it will occupy, if you don't share it will help you repeat it in 6 times instead of writing the whole thing in 6 times. So that's it. That's the grade template column. I see now. I can't hear you. Everybody.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
So you bye.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
So you. So that's the way to write grid form. So if you now adjust page, can you see the box will fit in equally on the page. Equally on the page. That's the way to write CSS grid. Then more so, let me try and show you another one again. You can also share, you can also align it in row. Like now, your box, your box can take both row and column. Abi? Let's define one to take row and column. Like now, let me change one item here in box 6, and this one, let me come here. This box, I can say take 2 column, abi, or take 2 row. I can say row to be 2 for this one. For this first one, I can say take 2 rows equal to 2. Now you now come to your style sheet here and say you take 2 rows. Let me see. You come to your style sheet here. Coming. Let me share my screen. So let's copy this class name rows 2. Then let it come and take 2 rows on the page. So you will say if you are in rows 2 dot rows 2 take 2 column. So you now say template. No, you say grid template, and rows should be what? 2. Action. Okay, let me see how, let me see it here. Okay, or grid, no, grid or grid. Okay, we have shown column here. Okay. So I think it should be row. Grid template row. I'm coming. Let me check. Let me check where it will be here. For the 2 columns, 2 rows of the page. Let me see it here again. Okay, grid column and grid row. Okay, this is the one here, grid column, grid row. Okay, grid column. Okay, this is the column now. Okay. All right. Okay, I think it should be row, grid row. Sorry. Okay, yeah, it should be grid row. Grid row to be 2. Has it worked now? Okay. Maybe when we are using another format, don't worry. We will try and work on that later. So now, hello. For our site now, the one that is here, let me show you the one here. This one here. have here what we call, can you see now? I have here my items here. It's showing in 3 when it's 1. Then here it's showing in 2 when it's low, when it's medium. Then it's showing what? In one items when it's of small size. I see it. So how can we do that? Eh? So for us to do that, we have to use what we call media query. Media. Media. So let me show you this one now. Let me show you this one now.
I'm forget that soup.
Hello. Let me use this one. Let me use this one for it so that it can work. 6. Now, for any site, eh, the maximum length of fashion you can take is 12. Is what? Is 12. For any page, any site, the maximum fashion you can take is 12. So this is the way it is now in 12. That means if I say 12 now for this one, 12 is maximum fashion you can take. Are you see now? So mean that it will group them in 12 equal size. Everything will show in 12 equal size for the grid. Now, if you want to now do your elements in a proper way, I try to code. I created the code. A code here. Let me show you what I did here in my style sheet here. Let me show you my style sheet here. I come to this side and say I say dot row here for every element on the page. I say dot row. Let's try and do that here too. Let's say you are sharing your items on a row for your page. So you say dot row is for the items. Display it in grid form. Display it in grid. Then the template column should be 12 fashion. 12 fashions equal size. 12 fashion equal size. And now give it a minimum what height. And say okay. Now if I come to my let me come to this one now. Let me come to my page here, my HTML page here, and write row. Let me come here and show you how it will be. Repeat in 6. This one is 12 though. This one is row now. Row. That is repeat it in 12 times. 12 times. 12 actions. That's the row now. now I now say that to occupy a special or a proper shape of the page, you will now position your items to take maybe 1%, one fashion. So now I come to this place now
Ṣé
and
mo ti
say
pè sí ẹ̀
column.
mo ti gbọ́ nǹkan?
You take what?
Ṣe
A column. You take
gan-an.
one span,
Wọ́n mi ti bímọ.
one row span. That's the way to be. A column. So what? We take one row span. Let's come in. Let's come in now. Now for a row we take 12 12 fraction or 12 span of the page. Now a column we take what? One span of the page. I see now.
Ọ̀nà ti pa aláṣẹ presentation.
Now if I say for box one, for box one, yeah,
SGG àbí kí náà
we
gba
will
àwọn
take
kí
what?
àwọn
Let's say
societal
we take
development àwọn
we
káàkiri a
say
máa
column
defend
two, two column.
sọ̀rọ̀ káàkiri ẹ máa sọ káàkiri inú títì. Ok, náà gbé kámẹ́rà yẹn náà fi. A present online wo ó yẹ ti sú mi òṣì tí mo jọ́ ọ̀nù.
For what 3 too, you can take
Jáyé.
3 column.
Gúrú.
Then for box 4, you can take 2 column. Let's see it now. Okay. I mean now this is, let's say 2 column. Sorry. This one you take 2 column. 2 column. Now two we take 2 column too. 2 column. Then but 3 you take 3 column. 3 column of the page. Box 3. Then box 4 we take what?
Ẹ wá sí kíláàsì.
4 column. Let's see how it will be. 4 column. So you will say column should be 4. Yeah. Okay. Got 3 column.
But
Now
usually
2
when
plus
you
2,
say 2 in
4
1, right?
plus 3 is 7.
Why can't
7 plus
I
3
take the one?
is 10. Then 10
One
plus,
right?
okay, the rest we take
Probably it's
1
giving
abi,
you between
they are
one.
equal.
What is that? Network
Yes
output.
now.
Remove the
1
network
column.
output and pick one output.
Column 1 and column 1.
Please, I'm putting gan. Get me here.
Let me close this one too. Let me close this one too for others. This space. This space for others.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Say what?
Lesson J is not allowing us to listen to what you are doing, sir.
I'm with you.
Hello, sir. The guy has unmuted himself and is disturbing the class, sir. The guy has
Who is that?
unmuted himself and is disturbing the class, sir.
This guy.
Yes, this guy, sir.
Let me see.
Yes, this guy, sir.
This guy.
Hey, mute now. Let's hear
This
what.
guy. He was answering me.
All right, man. Sorry. So now, I've tried to show you how you can design a page. Okay, these are style sheets here. Okay, let me see. What's the list again? 1, 2. Okay. Box 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 7. Then this one column 2 and column 2. Let's see this one. Column 2. Column 2. Column 2. What happened here? Hello? What happened here? So now, in this one now, what I did was to help you create a simple style sheet that I can use to design a page. Ensure that if you are taking a fashion of the page, eh, for your items, this one will help you properly to do that. So in a grid form, a row is occupying 12 fashion of the page. So now, if now want to do that now, you will say grid template column is 12. So now, one column of the page we take one span column, one span grid. Then two column on the page we take two span grid. Three column we take out three span grid of the page. Then four column we take four span grid of the page. Up to 12. So for column 12, it will take out the whole column of the page. That's the way to do that. Like now, if I change one of the item now to 12, yeah, let's see. Let me come to this page now and change it to 12. The first one, the first element here to 12. Let's see it and see the effect. What happened here? It has changed it has occupy what? Occupy the whole page. As you can see here, this column 2, column 12, occupy the whole page. So that's the way to help that's the way to design your page, design your style sheet to take some portion of the page. Now, if I want to also change some to 3, okay, the first one, let me take 3, column 3. Then let me give it a color. Let me give you color, background color. I can come and say dot bg color, dot bg green, or bg sources that green. I can say the background color to take green. Let's say green. Now I will now come to my index page here and say you take the green color. Take the green color. Come here. Sorry, should be here. You here. Take 3 BG green. Sorry. Success. Sorry. Success. Okay. Then your color of font will be white color for text. FFF. White color. Then my box should have a font size. Same size of font. So let me create box. E.g. 2 rem. Let's say this one. 2 rem. It's too much. 1.5 rem. Okay, that's good. Then the second one here, let me give color too to make it let me come to the second one. bg yellow. So in your style sheet, you come and give it color here, color yellow. So you will say dot bg yellow. You say background color should be yellow. So that's okay, bg yellow. All right. For now, you see the page as is okay now. Other ones too, you can give it colors as you like. So dot bg red. Let me copy this one. Dot bg danger. Dot bg danger. That's red. Say colors will red. Then and down to dot bg info. This is sky blue. Let's see sky blue. So now in our HTML here, you come and give it color here. bg info. Let's see it. Third one. Okay, it's not okay. Or danger. Okay. Big danger. Okay, red. Show you now. Now this red box here, let me make it maybe 6% or 6 column. I'll just say column of 6. So take 6 column of the page. So it will adjust to the page column and fashion column. Let's see now. In tablet form, mobile form call. Okay, that's good. That's good. So can you see now? It's clear, Abi, with you. I can't hear you. Is it clear with you now? This one. All of you are just silence. All right, Sha. Don't worry. If you go to the video again, so you should understand. So this is the way I frame the grid column. So take every page equally, then you now apply it to a page. To a page. This sky blue is not showing correctly here. Let me change this to maybe sky blue. And see PG info. This one is called PG info. Let me see PG info. Should change to blue. Or let's say blue itself. Let's say blue itself. Color blue. All right. Then you take 6 column 2. You take 12. Then PG success. PG success. You take 12. You take 7. Take 7 column the page. Or 8. Okay, let me see 9. And B, give it color of 9. Okay, let me say yellow and green. You okay, BG info. And down again. 3 column 3. Then BG yellow. So as you can see, so this is the way to do your items in column. Each 12 column, 12 column. This one should be the red one is 6 column. Okay, 6 column. Let me say column 6. Column 6. This is column 3. Column 3. This one is column 12. This one is 6 also, yeah. That one too is column 6. So that's great for you. This one is 12 also. Then this one is 9. This one is 9. and 3. Column 3. Alright, so equally, you have shared the page to show 3 equal size. So any question now? Yeah? Any question? I can hear you.
No question, sir.
So why you me say?
No question, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, question for you. Question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what's the maximum length or the maximum fashion you can see in the page?
12, sir.
12. Okay, then how do you
12,
identify
sir.
them? Or how will you write them? Maybe if you I will share the PowerPoint I show so that you can view it and practice. You hear me now? So you practice it and I'll try to show you now. Like now, this one now, you cannot. It still needs more work. Can you see? Oh, bye. Can you see now? Can you see? Hello.
Yes.
This is the tablet phone, and this one
Yes.
is system. Who is that? So yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
So go and practice this one first. So after that, now I will
Yes, sir.
now give you. I will show you. Maybe another video. I will show you how you can use media to work on it. You hear me now? Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So that's it. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Practice be perfect. So practice, go and practice it. Then you now come to this one. You now come here and see how you can. You will see how you can do this one. You hear me now?
Yes, sir.
How you can do this one to make it appear
Yes,
in
sir.
two form, 3 forms. Mhm. You hear me now? You can see showing 2. Yeah, I'm showing 1. Mhm. Showing 2 here. Yeah, showing 3. Uh, on on a row.
Are we
Or
going
should
to build it on are we going to like create
Are we
our
going
own app
to build
to
it
create it
on the
on
on?
VS
Are we
Code
going to like
or
create our
Notepad?
own app to
uh,
create it
I will show you the video
on
first.
VS Code or Notepad?
Alright, sir.
Or if I can, can you do it now? Or you show me.
No, we cannot do it.
Alright, sir.
Maybe
Go
if you
and
share.
practice. Go and practice this one first.
No, we cannot do it.
So later now,
Maybe if you
I
share.
will
Can you
show
share
you
us the app, sir?
this one. See the app.
Can you share us the app, sir?
My ba. Like now, come and see here. Let me even show you the app here. The one I code you. The one I give the code now. The code I give you now. Normally on your page. Let me show. Let me show you video or the code. Okay. 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 It should be here. If you open the app now, all the page. Can you see now? On browser, it's showing 3 on the browser now. If I now adjust the page, let me see the page now. Adjust it to small size. I see it will change to 2. See now, 1 now again. I see now. So that's just the difference. If you are working now, it will show 1. If I now expanding the page again, it shows 2 items on the row. Then third time call be bigger than the normal one. Show 3. So there's no built in there. But now I will show the video later, to do that one. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well done. Then for your assignment, Abby, or
Yes, sir.
for attendance, let me give you the link for attendance. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.